Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Betrayed, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to hide following and followers on Instagram. So you might just decide to have like a very wide private life and you just want to be on Instagram just to read, comment and just post videos and watch videos, stuff like that, and you don't want people to really know who is following you and who you are following. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Yeah, first of all, you have to open up your Instagram app like this and click on your profile. Click on this three horizontal line above your screen, then you scroll down to help and you click on report a problem and click report problem without shaking. Then you include and continue. You will now write a problem like this and be like, I want a private account, private and personal account, right? I want to hide my following and followers. Just send it and Instagram is going to give you feedback within 24 hours and your account will be set as private. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.